Hello guys, good morning. So you can see this beautiful winter morning. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and I'm also doing great. Right now I'm enjoying this beautiful nature, beautiful morning, winter morning. So today it's very much cold and everywhere fog is there. So what about you guys? And actually guys, I wanted to make a video like open area like this, but I don't have any environment around me because I'm living in a hospital area. I'm living in a hospital area, so that's why. So right now I am on the hospital terrace. That's why I can make a video like that. Otherwise I cannot. But whenever I go to my hometown, my village, I will make video with open area because I love to make a video that open area because that only my goal is achieved. My goal will achieve. So I need to practice more and more guys, otherwise I can achieve my fluency. So you can see this. So everywhere is the beautiful morning nature, right? So even I cannot see the sun right now. It's around 6:30 I think. So this is me, Syamalata. So see, this is the hospital terrace. You can see it's beautiful, beautiful winter morning. So bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.